Hey everyone. Welcome back to LutaMarkets, your home for crypto tips, trading strategies, and all things finance. Today, I'm showing you how to deposit crypto into your Binance account, step by step, with no confusion. If you don't have a Binance account yet, no worries, I've got you covered. Click the link in the description below to sign up. Once you're logged into your Binance account, look toward the top of the page and click on the button labeled Deposit. This will take you into the deposit options. From there, on the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a menu. Select the option that says Deposit Crypto. This is the main gateway where you'll begin the process of transferring your cryptocurrency into Binance. Whether you're moving funds from another exchange, your hardware wallet, or a mobile app like Trust Wallet or MetaMask, this is the place where it all starts. Next, it's time to choose which cryptocurrency you want to deposit into your Binance account. You'll see a list of supported coins, including major ones like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance Coin, and Tether. If you're sending BNB, for example, just select it from the drop-down list. You can also use the search bar to quickly find any specific crypto you're transferring. Binance supports hundreds of tokens, so no matter what you're using, it's likely there. Once you've selected the coin, you're ready to move on to the next step, choosing the correct network. This next step is absolutely crucial, so take a moment here. You need to choose the correct blockchain network that matches the one used by your external wallet or exchange, otherwise, your crypto could be lost permanently. For example, if you're sending BNB from a wallet that uses the Binance Smart Chain, you'll need to select BSC, which is also labeled as BEP20. If you're sending Ethereum or an ERC20 token, make sure to pick the Ethereum network, also known as ERC20. And if you're dealing with the older Binance Beacon chain, that would be BEP2. Different coins support different networks, and choosing the wrong one, even if the coin name is the same, could mean your funds never arrive. So always double-check the network before continuing. After selecting your coin and the correct network, Binance will generate a unique deposit address for you. This address is where your crypto will be sent, kind of like your personal mailbox for that specific coin on that specific network. You'll also see a QR code, which is just a scannable version of that same address. If you're using a mobile wallet, you can simply scan the QR code. But if you're sending from a desktop wallet or another exchange, just click the copy button next to the address, and paste it into the withdrawal section of the platform you're sending from. Make sure you copy it exactly, even one wrong character could send your funds to the wrong place. Before finalizing your deposit, you'll have the option to choose which wallet on Binance you want the funds to go into. By default, most people use the Spot wallet, that's the main wallet where your crypto is stored for trading. But if you're planning to use Binance P2P platform, or certain earning features, you might want to choose the funding wallet instead. It's totally optional, and if you're not sure which one to pick, just stick with the Spot wallet. You can always transfer between wallets later if needed. Now that you have the deposit address ready, head back to your external wallet, whether that's MetaMask, Trust Wallet, or another platform. Paste the deposit address you copied earlier into the send or transfer field in your wallet. Double-check that the address is correct to avoid any issues. From there, you'll need to wait for the transaction to be confirmed on the blockchain. This can take anywhere from a few minutes to longer, depending on the network traffic at the time. Be patient. Once the transfer is confirmed, your funds will show up in your Binance account. Once you've completed the transfer and it's on its way, you can easily track your deposit on Binance. Head over to your Transaction History tab on the Binance dashboard. This will show you the status of your deposit. You'll be able to see if the transaction is still pending or if it has been successfully confirmed. Once confirmed, your crypto will be credited to your account, and you're all set to start using it for trading, staking, or any other features on Binance. And that's how you deposit crypto on Binance. It's safe, simple, and easy to follow. If you're new to Binance and haven't signed up yet, don't worry. Just click the link below to create your account and get started today. Smash that like button if this video helped you out, and don't forget to subscribe to LutaMarkets for more crypto tutorials and tips. Drop a comment below to let me know what other crypto topics you'd like to learn about, and I'll make sure to cover them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy trading!
In the mail.